They give you dishwasher detergent.
Dishwasher detergent.
Nice.
That's the best part of the tour.
Coasters.
Wow, smooth, Molly. What is up, guys?
Hello.
We are here at the Bay Lake Tower, beautiful resort right next to the Magic Kingdom, the DVC part of the Contemporary.
Yes, and today is Jared's birthday. So we are celebrating his birthday by doing a night here at Bay Lake. We have a 2-room villa with a theme park view. It is really cool. It sleeps up to 9 people, and there are 4 of us here.
So we're going to have not enough room, clearly.
Shout out to my aunt Noni for getting us this room.
Yes.
With her DVC points. She's an angel.
She is truly an angel, and I could not ask for a better birthday present than one of the better rooms in this entire resort. So
yeah, this place is awesome. So we're going to check it out.
So if you're new to the channel, welcome. We're going to give you a full tour of the entire place. And yeah, I'm super stoked to just check this place out. We haven't even checked this place out. We literally are sitting on the couch and let's
But the living room is huge. Why don't we begin our tour?
Let's begin the tour.
We have such a big living room, lots of comfy space. Pull-out couch here, and I believe there's also
like a twin bed
pull-out there. We have our very own kitchenette, oven, stove, dishwasher, freezer. They give you dishwasher detergent.
Dishwasher detergent.
Nice.
That's the best part of the tour.
Coasters.
Wow, smooth, Molly.
Over here is our dining area. As you can see, very contemporary art here. We have a massive TV. Not that we're going to be watching TV tonight because we're in a hotel room and having fun, but TV. And then this view is amazing. Really excited about this view. Like, obviously you can see Spice Mountain right here. That's kind of the biggest one. But you can also see, the Astro Orbiter. You can see Cinderella's Castle. Way in the distance, I can see Splash Mountain. You can also see Main Street. And then over here, we got a great view of the Grand Floridian.
Yes, indeed.
We're on the 5th floor. Pretty good view, I'd say.
Yes. Now, for the fun parts, like bedrooms and such. Anyways, let's go check it out. So this is one bedroom over to the left here. It has 2 queen-size beds, so plenty of space.
2 queen-size bed and a nice balcony. There's actually 2 balconies in this room, which is amazing. So everyone gets their own balcony.
Yes, I love the whole setup in here. Again, another TV, and there's also your own bathroom in here. So here's one bathroom. Check me out, looking good, especially Molly. But coming in here, yeah, it's very spacious, honestly. Plenty of room in here. Very nice and clean.
Very modern.
Very modern. I gotta go out on the balcony. Well, you know what? We'll go out on the balcony on the other side. So here is
tiny closet.
Tiny closet.
Tiny closet.
Gotta love one closet in here.
Oh, and then there's also another bathroom.
There's another closet.
Another closet.
Here. Laundry basket.
We're very disappointed in the lack of bathrooms here.
There is another bathroom right here. This is like for the main, for just like the living room. I believe.
I love this mirror over here. It has a 3-panel mirror, so I can see my tiredness from 3 angles at once.
Yes, that's what we're all about here.
And, washer and dryer in here. That's a huge perk if you're staying at a 2-bedroom villa. They have washers and dryers, which is so nice, especially if you're on vacation and you're going to the park and you accidentally get caught in a torrential downpour because this is Florida.
Nobody likes a torrential downpour. This is my favorite part. The jacuzzi, which my friend Christian is already laying in, apparently.
And actually, I'm checking to see if it fits me, and it actually has a lot of room.
Very spacious. According to Christian, for this review, plenty of space. Also, excellent part.
Opens up into the bedroom.
Opens
which is
all the way
super
up
fancy.
into the master bedroom. So 3 baths, 3 big beds. Here's the
Also-
third bathroom over here with a
Really
beautiful
cool shower. You have 2 shower heads. There's one on the top and then one on the side here. And then you have a bench, which who doesn't like to sit while taking a shower?
Feels like it's a time machine.
And a toilet.
And a toilet. Would you believe that? Oh God, Christian. You might recognize Christian from our Star Wars video. He was something else in that one. Check that one out if
He
you're
was the
interested.
weirdo that cried when he saw the Millennium Falcon.
He's not weird. He's just special. This is the king-size bed here in the master bedroom. Plenty of space in this bedroom for sure.
This sleeps about
6
6
people.
Jared and Molly's.
Yeah. Well, you're 5'6" and your girlfriend's 5'2". You don't need that much space.
No, not really.
But coming out here to the balcony, where our friend Holly is hanging. Again,
Enjoy the views, Jared.
plenty of space out here. You can see. Is that the Seven Seas Lagoon? Or is that Bay Lake?
That's 7 Seas, and then this one behind us.
Then that's Bay Lake over there. Okay.
No, 7 Seas, Bay Lake is behind us.
Okay, whatever one is what. And then there's some basketball courts over there. Plenty of parking, blah, blah, blah. Fun stuff.
You know what it's time to do? It's time to pop a bottle of champagne.
It's time to celebrate. We appreciate you guys checking out this video. We hope it helps you when you're planning your trip to Bay Lake Tower. Obviously, we're here in celebration of my existence, which isn't that exciting, but still, I don't know.
And
But-
just so you know, if you were staying at any of the 2-bedroom villas on Disney property, they all basically have the same amenities. So everything you saw here, from the same number of beds, pullouts, they'll have the washer, dryer, all that
Yeah.
good stuff.
Exactly. We just wanted to put together a video real quick for you because we're staying here and we don't get to stay in awesome rooms like this. Again, shout out to Always On Nani.
Nani.
Okay, so if you like this video, please hit a thumbs up because thumbs up are good. And comment, you know, whatever you want to comment. I don't know. Comment how much you love us, whatever. Subscribe and hit that bell to be reminded and check out future videos. We got a bunch of playlists going. Check us out on social media. We got Instagram, Facebook.
I'm pretty famous on Instagram right now.
Yeah, our
Yeah.
Instagram is doing fantastic.
We have a post with 2,500 likes right now. It's wild.
It's really weird to actually have people like you.
I love it.
People usually don't like me that
I was
much.
born to be famous.
We're definitely not that. Thank you so much. Can't wait to see you next time. Or as Mickey would say, haha, see you real soon.